Wake up. No one's going to live your dream for you. Let's get real, but with love, okay? You want to win? You want to change your life? Want success, peace, money, love, a fit body, a calm mind, a rich soul? Great. But let me tell you something. It's not going to fall from the sky. And if it does, it's rain. And rain gets you wet. It doesn't pay your bills. You need to wake up to life. Have faith, yes. But faith without action is just cheering from the sidelines. Lighting a candle and then sleeping until 11 won't bring you a miracle. Even miracles require movement, consistency, persistence, even if it looks like madness. Yes, be a little crazy. Believe in your dreams like people believe the Wi-Fi will come back after it drops. No evidence, but with hope. Will things go wrong? Yes. Will you get tired? Absolutely. Will there be days when you want to give up, disappear, crawl back into the womb? Yep. But hey, don't stop. Breathe, cry in the shower if you need to, but keep going. The ones who go far aren't always the prettiest or the smartest. They're the most stubborn, the ones who fall 30 times and get up 31. While others are complaining, you're out there doing it. While some say, that's impossible, you say, just watch me. Because if you're gonna dream, dream big. If you're gonna fight, fight with faith. And if you're gonna live, live like the world belongs to you. And it has to catch up to you. Go. Even if you're scared, even if you doubt yourself, go anyway. And when people doubt you, perfect. That just makes you want to prove them wrong even more. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be unbeatable in persistence. And remember, the one who insists conquers. The one who has faith endures. And the one who's a little crazy gets where no one ever imagined.